So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio points to add a simple fade in or fade out effect in our video clip. So without any further delay, let's start it. I already added a sample video file in timeline. To add a fade in or fade out effect in this music, or you may say sound, then at first you need to add audio points. To add audio points, from the left side, select your audio track and right click on this and go to Insert Remove Envelope and select Volume. And instantly here you see a blue line. To add an audio point, simply hover over the mouse on this green line and then right click on this and select Add Point. You can add as much as you want. This time I add 4 different audio points. Let's say I just click the first audio point and drag it down to minimize the sound. And drag it to the top, drag it down, and drag it right here. Alright, now let's play this clip.
Clock. The sun is coming out.
Smooth
It
fade
looks like
out.
it's a beautiful day. I'm heading over to
Fade
my friend's
in.
shop. He's actually got a beast of a wood shop, and he's making me
Fade
this
out
right now.
and
I got the
fade
legs
in
in my
again.
trunk. Got to drop off the legs so we can put them on the desk so that he can bring it back here so that I can have a new desk. And guess what? You guys.
So makes sense, right? Now if you want to add a smooth fade out effect in the very end of your audio track, then process is pretty simple. Simply hover over the mouse on the corner of your audio track, and then once you see this triangle icon, click and drag it to the left. Now in this portion, our volume is now going from 100 to 0. So let's play this clip.
Photography, because I think it's a question I get asked a lot, and I think we should talk about it. So yeah, there it is.
So this is how we can easily add audio points and manipulate our audio by simply adding fade in and out effect in our soundtrack. Thank you so much for watching.